Hey, we're here at Sport Motive Auto Sales in Seattle. We got this 04 Subaru STI, just came in. We're gonna do a couple last touches to it, and then it's gonna be back for sale. But it's a 04. I think it's a rebuild title, and we're asking $12,000 for this. I'm gonna do a walk around, show you what it looks like. It's got a lot of upgraded aftermarket performance parts, including exhaust, blow-off valve, and a bunch more under the hood. It's got racing harness seat belts and a harness bar behind it. A couple extra gauges up on the front. Of course, roof racks. We got a camera over here, flat screen. I'm gonna give you guys a couple revs so you can hear how it sounds. No check engine, nothing like that. Clean. Let me pop the hood and show you under there. Strut bar over here, aftermarket air intake, blow-off valve over here, and I'm not sure what else is done to it, but here's the turbo. Clean, I don't see any smoke, nothing like that. Let's look underneath. Dry, no leaks, which is surprisingly for a Subaru. Aftermarket wheels. We're gonna put on new tires in the front here in a couple days. It's got nice tires in the back, maybe 90% or more. Body is pretty clean. There's a small dent on the front driver door, but we're gonna get it fixed. We're gonna have our mechanic pop this out. Little dent in the door. The wings, it's got the clear coat faded, typical Subaru Evo stuff. Let's pop the back. Good looking here, pretty clean. Headliner's nice shape. It's got a window tint all around. Came with a little fence somebody put on the back. Oh, here's the tires. We're gonna get these tires installed in the front, so that's coming up in a day or two. And turn the lights on, see how it looks with the lights. It's got the HID headlights, aftermarket, I believe. Couple small dings on the trunk, but not too noticeable. It's an older car, almost 20 years old. A little like a rough spot here, if you can tell. It could use a good nice detail, nice buff, make it look a lot better. We might actually give it a buff here. Next we got a STI 07 in the shop, getting buffed right now, so this might go next. We got rain visors, both sides. I never seen this one piece like this, but that's kind of cool. All the typical Subaru STI stuff. You can control where the power goes, front, back, and this is how you engage it if you want to choose it yourself. Glove compartment. It does come with a cob access port for the tuner. Some lug nuts extra came with the car. We got a remote for the radio. Pretty clean. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoy. Again, we're located in Seattle, Lake City, Here's the phone number, 206-801-9239. We also have a 07 just posted as well, black STI.